Do you love chopping vegetables? Be honest. Like myself, many of you will say just no. We really want a shortcut, right?
Recently, what happened I will tell you. I was finding this TJC grater, slicer and shredder everywhere over the internet. Literally everywhere. So I thought, let me check Amazon and check out the TJC store. And guess what happened next? I ended up getting one for me as well. It got lots of good reviews. After seeing all the good reviews and the price, which is absolutely reasonable, I have to get one for me. So I got it immediately. It can slice, it can grind, it can grate. It is so easy to assemble, it is easy to wash and easy to use. One of the best part is that it can be simply attached by suctioning at the bottom on any flat surface. So the bottom sucker can be fixed on any flat surface stably. One other thing that I personally liked is the color option. As my kitchen is mostly white, so I got the white. You can definitely choose your favorite color to match your kitchen as well. It is a great problem solver for people like me in the kitchen. Now I don't need to worry about chopping, cutting by knives, and grater makes cooking easy and convenient. Now I don't need to stay in the kitchen all the time. Now I can chop my veggies anywhere I like, even watching the television. I'm really loving its removable design. It's very easy to clean and it's lightweight. So I think you should have it one immediately, and I have shared the link on my Instagram, Facebook page and YouTube. So get one immediately and make your life easy with TJC. Follow me, Vishka Sharma, to know more about things that makes your life easy. Love you guys. Take care.